In this video, I'm showing you how to change the personality of your fabric using foil. Now, this is a stencil that I created, and you could use it with foil. I like to use it with foil, but someone asked if you could use it with paint. And of course, you can use it with paint. I just tend to use foil all the time, but I have used my stencils with paint, and still I get a beautiful result. Here I'm using a heavy gloss gel to apply on my stencil. That's what we need to hold the foil on the stencil. And this is a pretty large piece of fabric, so I'm having to remove the stencil and then put it on the other side to get the pattern on the full sheet. And now what I'm going to use, I'm using heat set foil. So there are lots of different ways that you can heat set. You can use an iron. You can use the big heat things that you use for t-shirts, or you could use a mink machine. Today I'm using a laminator, and the laminator that I'm using is sized for regular copy paper. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cut my fabric down to the size that will fit in the laminator. I'm laying my foil on my fabric, and I'm going to enclose it in parchment paper to protect it. I've inserted it into the laminating machine, and it's coming out now. My favorite part is the reveal. I love it when I peel it back and I see that my design has adhered perfectly. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this. Now, my fabric has a totally different personality. She is glamorous now. I'm going to attach her to a piece of wood, and then I'm going to go to my Glowforge and cut out a quick little design to show you how she turns out. I used white glue to attach my fabric to my wood, and then I'm going to let it dry and then cut my shapes. Since I had 4 different designs in this piece of fabric, I decided to cut the pieces out of different parts of the fabric. This is a 3-part earring, so I cut 3 different parts. I'm adding some UV resin. I'll use jump rings to attach my 3 parts and then put my ear hooks on. And here she is in all her glory. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment, thumbs up, hype, all the good things. Subscribe if you haven't. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.